So we're going to show you guys how to refill your water with a filter. First we have this right here, the squeeze water filterization system, and then we also have the straw right here. We'll be using this later. Right now we just need scoop water. The water's not the cleanest, but that's why we have a filter for all this. It does have a lot of algae in here. We're just gonna scoop the water a little, scoop it again, and one more time, then that should do the trick. And then after we scoop the water, now time to head back. And now that we are done filtering this water, we're gonna unscrew the cap. It's like a water bottle cap. We're gonna screw this in right here like this. And then we're gonna pop this open. And instead of a water bottle, I have a water pouch here. So I'm gonna be filling up this water pouch. Take this out. And really, wow, the clouds are kicking in. Just gonna squeeze it in there. Just gonna squeeze the water in there and it's gonna filter it out. And we're gonna squeeze the water in there like this. It's gonna take 2 of these to fill up a 2 liter because each one of these are roughly 1 liter. I'm not for sure. 16 ounces. Just gonna fill this up. We have unlimited water here today and tomorrow morning. This is a beautiful place to be camping out. This is a little of a long process, but it does do the trick. And now for safety measure, we have tablets here to give a little more of a disinfection for the water. Add 2 tablets to 1 quart. Wait 5 minutes, shake container, and wait 30 minutes before drinking. I guess it purifies your water. What else is there to say? And we're gonna add 2 tablets onto this guy. I think it gives a little odd taste, if I remember. 2 of these tablets right here. Screw this baby back in. Right here. And now put it in the water. Boop, boop. And we are good. Let's wait 5 minutes and then we'll shake it up. And then wait 30 minutes before being able to drink it. If you do have any question about this, don't forget to just comment below and I'll give you a response, so don't worry. Okay guys, and now you're wondering how I cook food during a wilderness backpacking trip, or if I even eat. And the answer is yes, I do eat. I have here a Jetboil Mini. This thing's pretty expensive. It's a 3-digit number. You can check out the link below on the description. The reason I bought this very expensive one is because I had a cheap little stove back then, and then food would always spill and drop and water would spill, and then having my water spill was never a good thing because water is limited when you're hiking. Of course not now. I mean, I'm pretty blessed to have this lake right in front of me, right? But it's not every day you're gonna have that. So yeah, water is limited, and I decided to take this with me because it does hold water better. It stays on the floor better, and propane doesn't waste as much. In some ways, as you can see, all this is like holding it in. So then not much air is going in or out, and it's just the fire burning the water from here. So this has been really useful for me my last backpacking trip, and I really like it. You know, it's worth buying. It's worth it, you know, compared to my $10 stove that was really killing my water supplies and making me unable to eat what I want to. If you want to make sure it's stable with the Jetboil and the propane, you gotta make sure you buy the Jetboil propane. Just plug. So you want to screw it on real quick, and I have these leg stands here. These leg stands fit for only Jetboil or propane. This should be stable. Got some water from the lake, and today with this video I'm gonna be eating buttered and herb mashed potato. I'm supposed to put 2 cups of water into a medium-sized saucepan.
If it's not the cold that's making you miserable,
okay, now time to try out these potatoes. Looks really dense. Still warm, pretty damn good. Now I know why you got it. It's filling too, I bet. Wow. Better than KFC, gravy not needed. It's a lot too. So it's gonna fill you up, and it's good protein for tomorrow's hike.
It's only $1 something.
Huh?
It's only $1 something.
Yeah, $1 something. I don't remember the exact price. But if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next time. Until then, travel heads.